Comandante C40 almost, or appears to be frictionless. Obviously it's not, but the mechanism is clearly excellent. That's a minor, it's effortless to rotate the handle. It really is superbly manufactured, and the main shaft on the main rotating burr, there is no play in that bearing at all, none whatsoever. That's what you're paying for. This is a quality product. Okay, you ready? You're going to do a video?
I am.
Okay, so we're going to put 40 grams of beans in, which should be up to the top of the utter failure. And now for the grind.
Should have timed it. Oh, I guess I'm timing the video.
Really, that's hardly any effort at all to turn that. That's it, that's all ground. There is nothing left in the container, and it's now all here.
Yeah. Very good.
Just requires a small brush to brush out the
And they do make a brush.